With online or remote teaching and learning, there are hurdles. When managing students is not particularly easy in class, set aside their engagement level in physical classroom. Today I would like to talk about attendance, especially if the teacher decides to execute a video classroom, for example, Google Meet. Of course, if recorded, we can refer to the recorded video to find out who were attending the session. There is another easier way. Did you know that? Well, perhaps by now some of the people got it because I circulated one of the YouTube video. But today I'm going to go over the thing once again. And I'll show you an extension on the Google Chrome which you may choose to install. It is a neat little feature which will add a nifty feature on your Google Meet. It will automatically enter the attendees' details, and after the meeting you may analyze the data. What a wonderful thing, isn't it? You can draw a graph, you can sort of look at the overall attendance of the class, which I suspect is going to be one of the most problematic thing, unless the parents are quite supportive. I call upon the parents to support us. Send your sons and daughters to the classroom. This virtual classroom, but it's just like the normal timetable. So let's go through the installation process on Google Chrome. Once installed, it will stay there unless you uninstall it via Google Chrome setting. It's called Meet Attendance, and well, there are two ways you can install it. Either you can start from, see that web store? By now everyone is familiar with the web store. So if you, in that web store, if you type in Meet Attendance, I hope I am entering it correctly. There it is. The reason my computer is showing added because I have already installed it. Now this is the thing I'm talking about. There is a video. Actually this young gentleman is explaining the stuff, actually how to use it, so it is quite well explained. And once you install it, it is going to be sitting on that ribbon over there, and I hope I can locate it right now. It's somewhere over there. I think that's the one. It looks like an apple or something, and it says Meet Attendance. So you don't have to do anything. It will be sitting there, and once you go for your Google Meet, that's the one, and if you go for any kind of session, X, Y, Z, and continue from there. I don't want to show my picture over there. and if you join in and you end up with all the messages, you can copy the link. This is one of the nifty feature I'm going to talk about later. That's another one, and this is the one I'm talking about. So see, I have been adding quite a few new things, and if you click on this, so back to business once again. I was unsure about something. So now, if you click on this ticky box over there, it shows only one. I'm the only person who is attending the meeting right now. If I click on this, look at that beautiful thing. It gives you the Google Sheet with all the details. That's basically when I'm presenting it. So I have got the dual role as a presenter and the organizer, and you'll get all the entries automatically done. Everything is done automatically. Only thing, after you're finished with the session, you got to come back to this one and analyze the data. So you should be, by now everyone should be pretty familiar actually how to analyze the data. So I will stop there. This is a nifty feature. Please install it. It doesn't cause any trouble at all, and it's automatically you get all the attendance report. Thank you.